Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video from Kleis Car Audio. Today I've got the Porsche 996-911 right behind me. We've installed the Kenwood DMX8021 Apple CarPlay Android Auto wireless DAB system. So just a little look at the back of the vehicle. I'm just going to first of all show you the DAB antenna. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but a lot of people don't like it right in your eye line in the front of the vehicle. So on this vehicle, we've actually fitted the DAB on the rear window, and from the driver's position, it's really unnoticeable, to be honest. Even from the back of the car, no one's really going to notice that aerial down there, but that will allow you to pick up all the new channels of today, so you've got a much wider variety of channels on radio to listen to. So hopping into the vehicle, this is how the stereo looks inside the vehicle. Now, we use an installation kit specific to the 996, which actually allows you to relocate the controls down below and then fit the doubled in into the top section. Now, we've got the USB just below the radio for easy access, but this radio here will allow you to get wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. You can add a reverse camera to it, DAB, so you've got all the latest radio channels, and also even HDMI if you wanted to add a Fire Stick or something like that to it. But just try and give you a bit of a look there. But yeah, looks really nice, the radio fitted into these vehicles. Massive upgrade over the factory system, all the latest maps and app control. If you use music apps, you've got Tidal, which is what I use, but you've got Spotify and Apple Music control. It's a much nicer way to use your phone while driving. You can access your playlists, even ask Siri to play a song. Now, I won't go too far into Apple CarPlay, but it's honestly a thing that everyone is asking for us. Everyone's asking for us to get into their cars these days. Now, this Porsche came with the Bose audio as standard, so we've kept that working with this new radio, and yeah, everything all looks nice and flushly fitted. One thing I'm going to quickly show you is we generally will try to put a boot up logo onto the system, so when you get into this car, start it up for the first time, you're basically met with this lovely logo from Porsche. Camera's not picking it up perfectly there, does look a little bit better in real life, but yeah, it just gives you a bit of an idea on what the end result looks like. Thanks for watching this brief video from Max at Kleis Car Audio. If there's something you're looking for your Porsche, please do get in contact with us. Cheers now, take care and goodbye.